Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Ariff, and today I'll be presenting about our mobile application which called Rumah Sakit Finder. I'm presenting this on behalf of my group mates. So first thing first, I want to talk about the first page or the first screen that you might be seeing on the screen right now, which is our sign-in page, which basically that has our name, our application names, and our logo, and there's instruction over here that says sign in using your Google account. So basically all the user need to do is just click on sign in, and if it is a first time, it will ask for the user to sign in all the emails and the password and stuff like that. But since I've already run this application before, so I can just click on this and it will sign into my application. But I do have an error here. It's not actually an error, it's an emulator problems. So all I need to do is just clear this up and reopen the apps back and click on the apps. As you can see, my emulator is running slow. Alright, so when the user, after user sign in, a pop-up will shows that asks for permissions, for user permission to allow Rumah Sakit Finder to access the user location. Alright, so if user want to deny it, can, but for this presentation I'm just gonna click on allow while using the apps. So after user have allowed all the permission and stuff like that, our homepage will be appear on the screen, and it will welcome the user names and emails and the coordinates of the user. So basically the emails and the names will be gained from the Google sign-in account, and the coordinate is based on the user current location. As I can show you, I can change that. Wait, how do I change it? Oh yeah, this one. So I'll change the user location. Wait, so right now I'm at Perak H, but I'll change that to this point. I'm gonna set the location. So when I set the location will change, alright, based on the user current locations. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna close this. So in our homepage, there's 4 buttons which have check-in, hospital locations, about us, and sign out. So I'm gonna explain about us first. Alright, so this is about us. So basically this is an application built by the student officer Hafiz for subject ICT602 to give location of hospitals in Malaysia, and this page is about us. Alright, so that is our name, my group project member's name, which is my name, Muhammad Azim, PUTERA Muhammad BAKHTIAR, Muhammad NORZAKWAN, NOOR SYARAFANA, BINTI NORDIN, ANISAH ROSLI, BALQIS, BINTI Muhammad AZUDDIN. So, and at the below of the screen there is a visitors link. It is a link to our GitHub account. I mean GitHub repositories. Alright, so it's running slow, but the link is working right now, as you can see on the screen. It's gonna take us a few moments here, I guess, but maybe we're gonna skip that or not. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so this is our GitHub account. As you can see, the link is working well, and this is my account, Azim Ariff. Alright, so let's go back to our apps back. So this is about us, and then this is our homepage. So I'm gonna go to the hospital location first. So as you can see, the hospital location, we have put a few markers. Actually there's 5 markers that list all the hospitals in Malaysia. So if I click on this button, we will go to the user current location, which is somewhere in Kedah, if I'm not wrong here. Let me zoom out here a bit. But let's change our location to Perak back. Alright, so this is Perak's location, and then let's recenter ourselves. So as you can see, there's a marker that really close to me, which shows Raja Permaisuri Bainun Hospital, which located in Ipoh, and have the address Hospital Raja Permaisuri Bainun, Jalan Raja Ashman. So that is basically all of our function in this page, and there's the direction, and basically you can just go to Google Maps directly. If you click on this, and this will give you the direction to go to the hospitals. Let's click on this. All right, so it will show you on the Google Maps application. So let's go back. How do I go back from here? Alright, so let's go back. Let's close this up and go here. So let's go back to our homepage back. So another button is our check-in button. So if you click on the check-in button, this is a check-in button if the when the user want to check into the places that they have go. So as you can see, this is my name, which is get from the Google account, and this is my coordinates right now, which this is my location in Ipoh, and this is the address where I'm exactly on. Alright, so if we click on check-in, alright, we will toast user check-in feedback posted. So when the user when user feedback is posted, we go to our server-side client. So let's refresh this, and it will go into the database and show all the details, such as my name, my coordinates, my address, my IP address, my current date and time, and the user agent that I'm using, which is Android 10, Android SDK build for, the Android Studio emulator, right? So it's working well, and this is our server-side design, which have our app's names, Rumah Sakit Finder, and this is an application built by the student of Hafiz to give location of hospitals in Malaysia, and this page is about check-in input by the app user, which give the username, coordinates, address, IP address, date, and user agent. So that's basically our server side. Alright, so let's go back to our application back. So I guess that's all the function that we have included in this application. I put the title bar up here, and then in the title bar I put a menu inflator, which user can just go about hers from there, Alright, another thing is that the application have is the ability to be able to use on the landscape side. So let's change it to landscape. Alright, so basically the design is usable even in landscape view. So let's check each button. Alright, it's good. Hospital location, of course, it's gonna be good because I'm using the Google Maps. And then let's go to about us, which can be scrolled. Alright, and this is the link, which is also working. Alright, and then another thing is sign out button. Alright, I'm sorry, that's WhatsApp. Alright, so let's go back to this view. Alright, so when the user finish using the applications, so they can just click on the sign out button here, or in the inflator menu, log out here. It will sign out the user from the application. So when I click on it, it will go to this page back, and SAIFUL Azim Ariff at Gmail has signed out. So that's all for the presentation for Rumah Sakit Finder. Thank you, and have a nice day.